Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the triple arrow system, how to identify the triple arrow, and hopefully today will help you understand how we use the triple arrow. When the triple arrow shows up, we take a sell. When the triple arrow shows up, we take a buy. So make sure if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click the bell notification below so you will know when we post brand new video, and you will be up to today's day with all the contents that we put here. All the contents is totally free, and just want to give you a disclaimer to you guys. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of this market. So like I said, today we're gonna be reviewing how to use the triple arrow system like a pro. Super simple system. Anyone can use it. It's not rocket science. If you put this very simple, this system will work for you. Make sure you subscribe as well, so you will know when we put all these free contents in here. And also sometimes I do videos on the side, so the only way you're gonna be able to see it is only if you subscribe. I also do a live session on Wednesday, every Wednesday at 6 p.m. when I come in and I do and analyze the market in live with you guys. And I also drop videos on Saturdays and Sunday as well for the week that we are gonna be trading for. Okay, so make sure you hit that bell notification below. So today we're gonna go ahead and start with NCD Canadian dollars. So I'm just making this a little bit, I'm squeezing the candle so you can see how the triple arrow really works. Look at here, guys. Triple arrow really is super simple. Look at that. Triple arrow come in, right? Triple arrow come in, market went up. Then look at here. Triple arrow come in, market drop. Triple arrow came in again. Oops, I grabbed the wrong tool. Let me delete this. Triple arrow, guys, is not hard to deal with. It's super straightforward. Look at this. Triple arrow come in, market is bullish. Look at right now. We are NCD Canadian on 4 hours. Right now, we got the triple arrow coming down. Look at what the market is doing. Market is dropping live. Today is, look at that. It's live market. We still have the New York and London section open. So look at that. Its market is dropping currently based on what the triple arrow is doing. It's not hard, guys. This system will change your life. You want to make money this year on 2020, 2021, 2022, this triple arrow will change your life forever. And there's a new version that is coming. We are working behind scene where you're going to be getting the triple arrow. If you grab the triple arrow today, the link is below, by the way, you will be grandfathered to the new system, so you will not have to pay anything. So it's gonna be amazing, guys. Make sure you grab one copy and start trading. So, and triple arrow is just, anyone can do it. If you stick to the rules, anyone can do it. It's not hard. It's simple, straightforward. That's what it is. Look at here. Look at here. So we are now on CHF JPY. Pay attention here. What is the triple arrow telling us the market is doing? Market is telling us the market is bearish. Look at here. What is the triple arrow telling us the market is doing? Market went up. So right now on CHF, market still trending down. It's super simple, guys. This is the most easy software. You want to make money? Get a copy of the triple arrow. The description of the triple arrow is below. It's not rocket science. It's super simple. Let me squeeze this tray so you can see more triple arrow. Because the more we see, and the benefit of this, guy, if you really pay attention, I change the white big arrow to be colored white because it's easy for me to identify where the triple arrow is located. So it's not, I don't have to be working behind scene and say, okay, where is the triple arrow? You're gonna be able to see it from far and far away. So it's in my opinion, you're gonna love it. Triple arrow is super easy to use. Let me make it a little bit smaller here so we can identify only the triple arrow so you can see. Look at that. So far, automatically, just by squeezing the candle, you get to see the two triple arrow coming in. Like I told you, you see that market, it was coming down. So it's not like that you have to overwork. Absolutely not. All right. So look at that. Look at prior to that triple arrow here. Triple arrow coming in here. What did the market do? Market went up. That's exactly what happened. Look at that. Market went, oops, I grabbed the wrong two. Let me go here. Let me grab the right two. Look at that. Market took off. What happened when the other triple arrow come in? Market dropped down. That's exactly. Look at what the other triple. Look at. Pay attention to the white arrow, guys. That's when you identify the triple arrow. See triple arrow in there. Let me make a circle so we all can be in the same page. Look at that triple arrow in there. Market down, and then we got triple arrow here, and another triple arrow here. So market is triple arrow is the best, guys. Look at that. Market went up and market went down. It's that easy. It's that simple, guys. Like that's what we call this super easy forex. Super easy. It's nothing fancy. It's just straightforward in front of your face, and you done. And remember, there will be a new version. The office is working behind scenes, still in a work progress. But when it come out, you will get the license for free, so you don't have to pay any extra fee. All you have to grab is make sure you grab the triple arrow. The link is below if you want to do it. But it's straightforward, guys. This system, you want to make money, this is it. There's a lot of people that have free time right now in their belt. So I mean, the only way you want to change your life is only if you move forward, press the button and go forward. If not, I mean, I don't know what you're doing back home, watching TV or what, but this is it. Look at that. We're gonna go to AUD NCD. Pay attention to this pair here. This trade here is giving us what? Look at here, triple arrow come in, market went up. Look at here, currently AUD USD, triple arrow is giving us a triple arrow coming down. Look at that, market is trending exactly based on what we see in here. It's not doing any extra, guys. Triple arrow is super to use. So in my opinion in here, pay attention. Let me type it so you can see it, right? So triple arrow here, triple arrow equal what? Equal sell. That's what it's doing here. Look at here. Triple arrow equal what? Bullish market. Stop is not hard. Super straightforward. Super straightforward. All right. So hopefully everything makes sense to you guys. And because this is not hard, guys. It's really, really not hard. Let me show you where is the triple arrow on the description of this video, because I mean, trust me, it's if you get you don't have to get it, but you can keep watching our videos and so on. But I mean, if you want to grab a copy of our triple arrow, you are more than welcome to do so. Let me bring this video here so you can take a look at it, right? This is ads. Let's skip this ad. Look at here. This was the full week analysis that I do every Sunday for this coming week. So all you gotta do is here. Look at that. On the description of the video is here. See that? Let me make a circle of this so you can see it, because this is not difficult. Let me bring this color right here. Look at here. See that? Here is the description. So if you pay attention here, here is the triple arrow link. Here is a private telegram if you want to send me a message. Here's my other public telegram where I usually sometimes I drop signals in there. I also have a Robinhood account in there as well. I'll show you in there the broker I use and all the social medias that I use as well. Everything is here on the description. All you got to do is click on it and we can connect, in private if you have any question. I don't think you will have any problem, but just in case you do have any question, all this information is in there. Okay, just wanted to kind of like show you exactly what I'm talking about and you can understand. Let's go to another pair so you can see the difference between pairs and pairs. Remember, this is on AUD USD. Look, and I love to use 4 hours, guys. 4 hours to me is a very, very powerful time frame. If you guys want me to make a video on how I use the time frames, let me know. Let me know. My job is to make sure that you do understand. Pay attention here. And another thing, guys, in case you grab the triple arrow and you want me to show you how I use the triple arrow, I also do the private session, the one-on-one, where I teach people exactly how to use the system, and it will change your life. You want to make money, this is it, guys. I don't think there is any other software straightforward that you have to do more work. So the one-on-one session is changing a lot of people's life. But if you want that, the only way you want to change your life is only if you want to. I make this smaller so you can see back, so you can see it from far away. But look at here, guys. Let me circle, because sometimes that's the only way people can see it. Look at here, triple arrow come in there. What happened? Market went up, right? Look at here, triple arrow come in here again. Let's type it here so you can see it. All right, so we all can be in the same page. Look at that, triple arrow circles, right? All right, look at that, triple arrow came in there. What happened with the other triple arrow? Look at here on the bottom, triple arrow come in there as well. Look at here, right now as we speak, euro peso is a bearish market, guys. Look at that, triple arrows telling us US peso is doing bearish. That's exactly what it's doing. What do you think is gonna continue to do this rest of the week? Market's still gonna go down because it's a bearish market. I mean, triple arrow is straightforward, and I don't know if you guys see in here, we're not drawing any support and resistance and overwork. We're not doing none of that stuff. We're just going straight forward, using triple arrow, nothing extra. Hopefully this video is making sense, guys. I don't know if you have any question. If you do, please drop it below so I can read it and try to answer any of your doubt. But remember, we are coming with a new version of the triple arrow. Still be working behind scene, but when it comes, you will get the new license for free, so you don't have to pay anything. This is only one-time fee, and hopefully all this stuff makes sense. Let me know, like I said, if you have any comment, drop it below. If you want the one-on-one, also let me know and give us a thumbs up if you find value on this video. Do you guys have any questions that I can maybe try to help you? Because I mean, that's, like I say, sometimes that's the only way that I can really help people. But if you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Can you try to guess? I'm gonna go where? I'm gonna go home.